So magandang araw Kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan natin lahat mga interesting na nagaganap po ngayon around the PBA Kabola. Of course, we'll talk about Northport and their connection to San Miguel Beermen Kabola. The schedule issue na nilabas po regarding Ginebra. So, hindi pa subscribe, pakipinat naman po yung subscription button. Comments muna tayo mga friends. Adrian Dulay. Sir, kung noon pa sana na trade si Paulie, sana pinakinabangan nila yung kung sinong nakuha nila. Mahirap kasi kay Chito. Ayaw pa pakawalan ng mga Thunders sa trade tulad ng ginagawa ng BGSM na mga lopsided trades. Kasi iwan talaga sila sa dalawang SMC teams. Di Chua Pangun lang kasi pinalakas niya. Sabi dito Kabola. Rachel Rico, kaya nga dapat ibigay na nila si Stan kasi yun yung gusto ng players. Then Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shoutout naman idol. Thank you so much. Regards to Justin, unang laro parang na-feel niya laruan pa niya sa PBA to Stan. He will play only to one SMC management through SMB. Sabi niya about Stan. I do not think that is the case Kabola. I do not think he wants to return to San Miguel Beermen. Unfortunately, I know you're a big fan of San Miguel Beermen pero I doubt po Kabola, Sir Malyari Mascareñas, na dun po gustong maglaro po nito pong si Stan Heidinger. Now, pag-usapan na natin, Kabola, ito nga pong issue regarding dito sa schedule ng Ginebra. Actually, the recording of this video, nakaisang laro na po yung Ginebra, Kabola. Now, ito yung unang post ni Snow Badua regarding it. Although, of course, pagkalabas yung schedule, and may mga comments na sila dito. Ginebra is deserved the PBA, no doubt. But don't get me wrong, how come they haven't played yet when most teams already appeared in 4 games? While the last conference finals rival in champion TNT already have 2 games. Kabola. So yun yung point niya. Itong si Snowbad, diba? Special team, they bring the crowd, but that's what special treatment for. So para sa kanya, special treatment daw po yun. Kabola. Kasi parang point dyan, mas mahaba yung naging pahinga nila. Yan yung pinaka-point po nito si Sir Snowbad, Kabola. And of course, in a way, may logic po yun. Pero in-explain din po mismo na isang article po ng Spin.ph, the reason why ginawa po yan ng PBA. And that's because of Coach Tim Cone Kabola and his coaching staff being part Kabola or being the one leading po yung coaching staff ng Gilas Pilipinas Kabola. And of course, having players there. Nandun of course si Japet, nandun si Scotty, nandun din of course si Justin Brownlee Kabola. So yun yung reason. And for me, that alone is enough. Diba? That alone is accepted. Pero other than that, you should have realized, Kabola, yung mga bumabati ko sa schedule po ng Ginebra, na ngayon, dikit-dikit na yung mga laro nila, Kabola. So the decision to give them a longer leash before mag-start yung kanilang tournament, Kabola, also made the schedule clustered. Tuloy-tuloy yan, dire-diretso sila, Kabola. Diba? Yan yung sinabi natin. So, meron pong naging negative impact yung decision na bigyan sila na mas mahabang pahinga. So, wag naman natin, Kabola, na sabihin na parang yung binigay sa kanila na ganito pong schedule, all positive. Hindi po yan totoo. Kabola, hindi po yan totoo. Diba? So, now, they will play, di ba? Nagpahinga sila ng medyo mas mahaba, week addition, pero ang kapalit nun, Kabola, medyo mas nakakapagod na schedule. So, at the end of the day, meron parang negative impact, especially to their campaign in this Commissioner's Cup. So, wag masyadong maging malaking issue po ito dapat. Now, si Baltasar, siya po ay nagdebut na po, Kabola. Dun sa kanilang first game, talo sila actually against Northport Batang Pier, Kabola. And Baltasar, unfortunately, he did not deliver the hype. Diba? Kasi of course, ang hype dyan 2010. Diba? 5 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal po siya, Kabola. Pero overall, sa nakita natin, doon naman yung galaw Pero si Justin mo mismo yung nagsabi, Kabola, na medyo nagkakamuyan pa, Kabola. And unfortunately, namin niya din na parang pagod na siya. Na kailangan niya po ng pahinga. So, kumbaga, ang dami niyang Pero overall, sa nakita natin, I think the potential is true and we need to give him more time para mas makita natin kung talagang gaano kagaling ang isang Baltasar. Pero ang gusto kong pag-usapan talaga ngayon, yung kanila pong nakalaban. Northport Batang Pier, 5-0 at the recording of this video. And man, watch them play, guys. I know they are a farm team. I know a lot of you hate them, Kabola, pero watch them play, especially on the defensive end. Kabola, this team is legit. This team is complete. One of the most complete defensive team in a while, Kabola. Kasi ang nangyari ito, wala pang Halalon yan, Tandaan nyo, si Halalon, injured pa. Si Halalon, is easily one of the top 3 kabola na head of a snake type of defender. Pag dinagdag mo pa dyan si Alalon, grabe ang magiging depensa ng Northport, kabola. And offensively, they have one of the most modern offense. Lalo-lalo na pumapasok po yung tira ni Munson. Now, the question mark in a lot of the heads of the fans right now, with the struggles of San Miguel and Magnolia, who are currently, kabola, below 500 sa kanilang mga records, kabola. Will Northport help them out before the end of this tournament? And let us hope that they will not. Let us hope, kabola. Remember, di ba? Nagalit yung management ng Northport nung binanatan sila ni Danny Ay. We hope, kabola, kahit dito lang sa tournament na to, they do not make any trade. They do not make any trade that will hurt their current campaign. Let us hope, kabola, that they will take this tournament seriously. Because with what I'm seeing right now, they are a legit finals contender. Ulitin ko lang ha, kung sa nakita ko sa 5 panalo po nila, legit sila na contender na makapasok sa finals. Hindi championship. Kasi I think kailangan mo pa rin talaga ng legit na championship experience sa finals para may panalo yon. And for me, wala sila doon, kabola, wala sila nun, and that is the reason why I can only currently anoint them as a finals contender, kabola. Pero overall, I'm excited for them. I enjoy watching them, kabola. Yes, there's a good chance they will break our hearts, pero at the very least, sana they will break our hearts. Sana lang after this tournament. Pero kung pwede, sana, di ba, magkahimala, magseryoso na sila. Kasi they have an amazing core. They found an amazing core that they can build around for next 3 to 5 years, and they can become championship contenders, especially in import conferences. The three of Munzon, Tolentino, Navarro, kabola, and their point guards, amazing core, kabola. Kapag-abals, mo, tutulungan kayo ng Northport ang San Miguel at Magnolia soon. Comment na po sa baba.